guys, today we're on Icebreaker, new improved harnesses, and this time with no comfort collars. I ran with the comfort collars before, but not without with them, so this will be very new. This is the modification they just done a couple weeks ago, so let's see how this does. After Icebreaker is a good one, and as good as it, they finally brought back the 48-inch height requirement. I mean, it's now back at the family coaster, and out we go. Woo-hoo! And it feels free. You're free right now. Woo! Oh my. This is really a much better experience now. Without the comfort collar, it's just a much better experience now. Oh, that was awesome. It's so good. It is now a better ride experience now. It doesn't hurt you no more. With the comfort collars, it doesn't hurt you. So I hope all Skyride coasters can remove the comfort collars, because this is a better event that day. Alright guys, this is I will try my best to get the camera still as possible, okay? Here we go. Woo! Smoke! What the heck? Woo! Oh my god! Oh Jesus! Oh my crap! Oh crap! Oh Jesus! Holy crap! Oh my gosh! Woo! Oh my god! Oh my god! You like it? No. No? What? I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry I said Jesus Christ. Oh my gosh. That was intense. That was much better. Oh my gosh. Guys, you need to ride Icebreaker right now. This is a much better experience without the comfort colors. Oh my gosh, that was crazy.
That's the latest, right?
Huh?
That's the latest go.
Yeah. It's a Hero 11. So I said, why are we going backwards? What happened?